Hey guys, we're back with another recipe by 30-minute Paleo Meals. So today we're going to try crab, green mango, cucumber, and coconut salad with chili lime dressing. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Hopefully it turns out like that. Here's the recipe there. And so the first thing we're going to do is, I did most of the prepping already. So we're going to start with the dressing. I'm going to bring you guys down here so you can see the dressing. And so we're going to whisk together the shallots, which I hate onions, but here is the one shallot. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I hate onions. They made me cry. So there's the one. And then we're going to take some chili paste, which I have right here, red curry chili paste, and we're going to do 1 to 2 tablespoons. So I got that right here. Just gotta grab a smaller spoon here and scoop it in there. So there's 1, and then we'll do 2. This one just needs a little bit more. So there's 2. Just to whisk it, but I'm just going to do it like this. And then we're going to add in some honey, which is 1 tablespoon. So I still have my raw, unfiltered honey here. So this is gonna take a while. Oh, maybe not. Get it. Can't squeeze with one hand. I'm not strong enough. There we go. Perfect. 1 tablespoon. So we're just going to get that out. Perfect. And then we're going to take some fish sauce. So I've got the same brand fish sauce here, and we're going to do 2 tablespoons of this. This might take a while too. Okay, there's 1. And I did buy another one of these, so we should be okay though. I think we got 2 out of that. That's good. And then we're going to take some lime juice, and it was 4 limes, and I already got it going here. So there's our juice. That is good to go. And then we're going to mix this together. I don't think I'm going to like this salad. I really don't think so. It's got so much onion in it. And this just does not look good at all either. So now we're going to drizzle some sesame oil. I love sesame oil. I love the way it smells. So this is 1/4 of a cup. Hopefully I have enough. So here is my 1/4 of a cup. I'm just going to pour all of that in there. I had just enough, you guys, just enough. So we're going to drizzle this in here while we stir. Perfect. And then we're going, see, I love that smell. It smells so good. Okay, and then it says, add the crab meat, mango, and cucumber and gently toss to coat, avoiding. Okay, so we're going to grab the crab meat. I got some right here. Should probably put this in a bigger bowl. I probably should. So there is our crab meat. I'm going to grab a bigger bowl here. Really quickly. So here is my bigger bowl here. We're going to put the crab meat in. There we go. I'm going to kind of break this up a little bit. And then we're going to put in the mango. This is all I could get out of 2 mangoes. I have never cooked with mango. I've never I don't know. I've never had mango except for like at restaurants or something like that. Maybe not even that, but mango ice cream I've had. But we're just going to mix this in, and then we're going to add in this. Perfect. There we go. The only thing I don't like about it so far is just those scallions. It looks disgusting. Okay, and then we're going to, so there is our mixed dressing. Then we're going to take my wonderful and awesome platter I always use for everything. And we're going to arrange watercress nut. I have never bought this, never had to, I'm looking for my scissors. I don't know what I did with them, but it's okay. So living watercress nut is what this is. And so we're going to just, oh my gosh, it's actually, it's actually got a root. Oh my goodness gracious. So we're just going to cut this so we don't eat the actual root. So I'm just going to take this and cut it right there. So there is our root. So if you want to grow water chestnuts in your kitchen, you're more than welcome to at Safeway. They have them. So then we're going to just go ahead and take my platter here, arrange this on the, I might have to cut this up because this is, it's supposed to be, yeah, there we go. But yeah, how do you eat this? I'm going to have to cut it up. I didn't think about that. So let me get my cutting board out here. We're going to kind of cut this up here in some sections. Let me clean this knife off. I didn't get any dirt on it. It just cut the, so I like to kind of roll mine up. I've never had water chestnut before. At first I thought it was those like potato things that you put water chestnuts. Yeah, like you put in Chinese dishes. I thought that's what this was. But it's a living watercress is what it's called. And so, I mean, I did not really buy enough of this. I think you're supposed to have 6 cups, but this is good for just me and Kyle. So this platter is definitely smaller than it needs to be, or bigger than it needs to be. But actually, you know what? I should probably just put it in a bowl, but this is fine. Okay, you guys can see that. And then we're going to add in, arrange the watercress, top with the dressing. Okay. And then we're going to add this on top. I should have more salad, but it's okay. This will be more of a meaty dish. And then we're going to add in all this other stuff on top. So we're going to add in some mint. I've cut up some mint here. Way too much compared to this, but that's okay. So this is a 1/2 cup of mint, 1/2 cup of basil, and then we're going to add in the scallions, more onions, see? And that is 2 to 3 scallions. And then my favorite part is going to add, oh, it said cucumbers, but where do I do the cucumbers? Oh, you're supposed to add the cucumbers in the dressing, and I messed up. So here is all of my cucumbers there. cut up without the skin. So what I'm going to do is just put all of this in here, and then I'm going to mix it up. And then we're going to add the coconut flakes. The weird and out of place coconut. So we're just going to toss this. There we go. Now it's starting to fill the plate. It looks disgusting. On the picture it looks good, but on here it looks disgusting. So there we go. There is our dish, and then we're going to take 1/4 of a cup of coconut flakes. I'm going to rinse this out really quickly. Kind of dry it off here. There we go. Add in this coconut flakes, unsweetened coconut flakes is what I have here, and then we're just gonna put that over it. This looks like the best thing on the whole recipe. It's just the coconut flakes. And then we're gonna try some of this. I'm not too excited. I'm gonna grab my fork here because I don't like onions. I'm gonna try some of the crab meat. Here we go. Here's some crab meat, some watercress, some cucumbers, and we're going to try it here. I'm scared. Luckily, the only thing I can taste really is the sesame oil, which I like. So, very green dish. You can definitely taste the green out of it. But flavor-wise, it's really good. I just hope I don't get a big chunk of scallion in there. I'm going to try another one. It's actually pretty good. I think my husband's going to like it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!